Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add search box in your web pages. Okay, suppose we want to add label of that search box is Google. Okay, then we can use an input element tag, and in this element we have to write type equal to within quotation search. Okay, that creates a search box. Then comes to the name attribute that discussed in previous video. Okay, then use a line breaker. Then suppose we want to add submit button. Okay, so for submit button we can use an input element tag, then use type equal to submit and value equal to search. Then save the file and refresh in browser, then we can see a search box. Okay, in previous video, we already discussed if we are mention the name attribute means name equal to search, then there is no change in output. Okay. Then comes to placeholder attribute. Okay, this attribute specify a short hint that display in the search box before the user enter a value. Okay, suppose we want to set a hint for this search box is enter keywords. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser, then we can see there is a hints in a search box, and that is enter a keyword. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.